waiting for this. Well, welcome to another ride. Particularly cold today. I think it's about 1 or 2 degrees now. We're in Wales today. It should be a lot more scenic. Oh, it stinks though. That's f***ing rancid. This one looks quite overgrown. Ooh, yeah, straight in the face. What is it with me getting smacked in the face like it's a common occurrence these days? Oh, this is gonna hurt. Become one with the hedge. Ow. Oh, diagonal riding. Yeah, not going through that today. Very much overflowed. We're about to get our first proper views. Oh, maybe not. There's a view. That counts. Jesus Christ. Woo! Well, I like this. Another sort of stream bed, a lot of rocks. Ooh, that's close. Again, see, I'm not looking far enough ahead of me. There we go. Why? What is it with me and trees? Every single... I think I've established that twigs are my worst enemy. The views are on their way, not long now. Excuse me, fine sir. It makes it sound like I sing Christmas carols. Ah, f***ing hell, cramp. Ooh. Now you see what I mean about this being heavy for a 125. Up, it will just take you where you don't want to go, and every opportunity you get to go a little bit faster, do so, because it will flick all the mud out your tyres. Ooh, you know. Praying for a nice little log to hop over or something. Oh, thank you. That'll do for now. What a spot to live. Hey, bud. Doing your job. Fair play to you. Frostberry trees. Oh, the pine trees are frozen as well. Yeah, look at that. White pine trees. This has got a kind of spooky, misty moorland vibe. I'm in danger of crashing now because I keep looking at the view instead of where I'm riding. You know. Go. And now we're up on the hills finally. Oh, we took a wrong turn. Oh, the view's way better this way though. I'm glad that happened. It's nice to ride somewhere with a change of scenery. When you leave your local county, you know, it's just fresh views. makes me nervous riding this close to barbed wire. If you went down and that dragged across your face. Those are some dodgy mud flaps, some proper views. Easy way or the hard way? Ooh, nearly lost it again. I'm really liking these trails though. Well, I got my extra. Oh my god! All over the shop. Oh, not again. Seems like an accident the first time you do it, but the second time. Oh, there it goes again. Clobbered me GoPro. Oh, that was a bad decision. Moorland now. They're not all just gravel or, you know, mud. Oh, you alright? Oh, I'm keen for this. Nice one. That was damn close. Let's give it a go. Right, I think we're headed now to Water Breaks' Neck, and I think we're going to do a couple of lanes there. Look at the views! Premium views! Oh, that's what I hope I get on this video. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Just trying to grow the channel, to be fair. Oh, hello, mate. This is kind of bedrock. Well, correct me, it's probably not bedrock, but it's rock. You can agree on that. Oh, in the face again. What is it with that? That is tall. It's lovely, isn't it? That's the one thing about this bike. Suspension is not made for this. I don't really know what it's made for, but that's the thing. You got to be grateful for what you got. You got to make the best of it. No, make the most of it. Look at that. I nearly crashed then. It's a thing, like, you got to keep your view to focus ratio decent, but that is stunning. Ooh. Ooh. It does. Fucking hell. I was distracted because my glove just gave birth to my hand. That's gorgeous. Misty Mountains, the non-Hobbit edition. So I believe this is the last lane, and then we'll be heading back to the vans and whatnot. It has been a very enjoyable ride. I believe that was it then, guys. Again, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will definitely see you in the next one.